Alright guys, I want to point out to you a pattern that I picked up on the daily chart and have traded. This is a slightly more advanced entry, so I'm not going to recommend that you trade it like this, but I do want to get you used to pattern recognition. And so I thought I'd point it out to you. Now, it's been a pretty slow day today. On Monday, I've only bagged 30 pips off my first trade out of the 4-hour pattern that I traded. So I decided to go to the longer term charts to see if there's anything shaping up. And I came across the Euro USD daily chart, and have a look what you got in front of you here, what I'm pointing out to you. Now, as you can see, I'm currently in a trade on this one, and I'll explain that in a second. But if you look at the first blue bar there, the low of that bar is a 1.4702, and the previous one, 1.4703. And so that's 1 pip difference on the low. So what do you know from the My Daily Method thread at fap-tradershaven.com? You know that that is a double bar low. And if you see a higher close, what I recommend is obviously setting your entry order just a little bit above the pattern, waiting for it to be triggered and riding it out for all it's worth. But as you'll notice, I'm in the trade a little bit early, and that's because out your chart and out your field of view here to the left, the area that I got is a area of previous resistance and support. And so what I did was I watched that area. When I saw it break, and that area was sitting there around about 1.4774 in that area. If you go look at your charts on your daily Euro chart, you'll see that it lines up with a few of the other daily candles. When I saw that break, I decided to jump in long. It looked to me like a good entry, and the reason why is because we've got a double bar low. It was already a higher high. It had formed that double bar low on the support level that had held many times already in this upward channel, and so it looked like a very profitable entry. And so I entered it, and I've been up to 170 odd pips in profit already, and as you can see, it's going nicely up there for me. So what I'm going to be doing after this video is moving my stop loss to break even, and as you can see, I'm targeting 1.5040. Hopefully over the next few days or a couple of weeks, it'll reach up that there, and I'll cash out in that area, or I'll be stopped out in break even or in a profit as I trail my stop up as it goes. So either way, this one is going to be a stress-free trade in the next few minutes. And one last thing before I go, if you'll have a look here, another thing that I use to enter, or if you look down at the MACD here, the FRC custom MACD that we have on the thread for you to download, is the blue confirmation on the MACD. So we have a number of confirmations: the support level, the double bar low, the higher high, the MACD. There's a whole bunch of things that confirmed this for us. Jumped in, had 70 pips in profit already. Going to be moving my stop loss to break even. Stress-free trade. Hopefully we'll ride it up right to the top.